Morning. Today I'm going to give you our pro- project is. I'm a client, and all these guys are our vendor. So our project name is data validation, data collection. So in that data collection, I'm a credit card company, and I want to achieve collect my all the money from the customer. So in that condition, I don't have any resources to who can visit and call to the customer to take the money from the customer, because didn't repay their amount. So it is so they didn't repay to this. I have forward this information or this requirement to collection company. So this is our discussion between I'm a finance company, and this one is a collection company. So I'm my role is as a my role is a finance company, and this is a collection company. So you can start it.
Hello, sir.
Hello. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Actually, I came to you regarding I have my product name is credit card, and around 1 lakh of customers, those are not repay their amounts last one. They didn't pay. Haven't haven't paid on haven't paid from last 1 year. So I don't have that much resources who can visit to the physical visit to the location, or we don't have resources to who can call to the customer. So do you have any team who can help me on this?
Yes, sir. I have a team. She is a Vrushali. She is handling a credit card data, and he's a Nitin. He is handling a personal loan.
Oh.
If you have a credit card data, then all data she will be handled. And what manpower requirement do you have for this
Actually, I
project?
have 1 lakh customer, and my target date is max to max next 3 months. So within a 3 months, next quarter, I want to achieve and I want to repay my amount as soon as possible. So may I
If
know
you
your-
have 1 lakh customers data, then you need to manpower of minimum 50 people.
Okay, so may I know what type of teams do you have? Do you have any telecaller team? Do you have
Yes,
any
we have
physical-
both teams, collection also and field visit also.
Oh.
Then if you have a data from west region, then we have a field team. If you have other region data, then we don't have any field support.
Okay, so could you please check with your team how many we need to achieve our target within a 3 months? So could you check with your team, and could you tell me about how budget?
You said the data, customer data is they were not paid the EMI from last 1 year.
Yeah, exactly.
The customer is now in write off.
Okay,
The write off
right,
data
exactly.
is not easy to collect the money from the customer. Then you need to wait for minimum 1 to 2 months for the recovery, because we are new in your we will work new in your project, and we need to understand your project first.
Okay.
That's why we need minimum 1 month to work on that project and achieve your targets.
And could you help me on that? How many resources will work on this project, and estimate and their efforts and their time? So could you discuss your internal team? So I need to achieve this things within a 3 months. So even I can push you on that. So if you it's good to me, could you check with your team regarding your efforts and team members? So you have to
Okay.
discuss.
She is a Vrushali. She is handling
So
the collection
you
team.
can discuss internally, and
Okay.
you can come to me with information.
Okay, sure, sir. Thank you.
Yes, you can discuss.
Okay.
So you can
Now-
introduce about our project.
Hi, Vrushali.
Hello, ma'am.
We will get a new project as a project is a credit card collection, and do you have already 2 projects in calling right now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, and now what kind of manpower do you have?
Ma'am, I have 25 people in my team.
Okay.
in my adult.
But there is a 1 lakh customers data, then you need minimum 50 clients to work on that data.
Okay. Ma'am,
How will you manage?
ma'am, I will.
As per discuss with boss, we will get this project from next month. Then you have 1 month time for the requirement and all things.
Okay, ma'am. I will try. With ma'am.
You can talk with our HR department to about the requirement and all. Then you will update me.
Okay, ma'am. Sure. I will call him.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, first you can talk about.
So, also I need to update here. So,
You have to come with this person. He is a HR and finance manager, so he will guide on that. So we can discuss with him.
so how many users working with you?
Sir, I have already 25 people, but I bought one to hire more 25 people because of one project are came in under my team. So I want one more 25 candidates. So please provide me this candidate.
Okay, I
Yeah,
will work on this. It will take around 15 to 20 days for manpower provide to you. Also, there is a cost involvement. There is a IT part because the telecaller is a call center need to be call center, right? So we required internet systems, so that would be required per cost. So we also discuss about the finance department, how many costs we can provide to you.
Yeah, sir, but try to.
I think.
But sir, I have required 25 customers with Rochelle ma'am within 5 days. I have need to collect the data. I need to collect the data after 3 months. After 3 months. So we have need within 25 vacancies in 3 to 4 days.
Could you please try to fulfill that requirement as soon as possible, because we have very less time to start this project and we need to train them also. So please try to fulfill.
Yes, sure. I will try. I will try some other consultancy, and they can. We will talk with them, and we will try to fulfill this request.
Yes, okay. Thank you.
Sir.
Come back to me.
Our discussion.
Hello, sir. I discussed with my team, and we are now ready to work on your project from next month.
Okay.
We will try to fulfill your requirements and all as soon as possible, and we will also try to achieve your targets. What you told me in last meeting. Then thank you for visiting.
Thank you so much for coming with this positive response. Actually, I have given you very less time to achieve this goal. Even you don't. I don't know how many resources you have, but I have given a timeline is very less, and even I need to achieve this. Even I have to achieve this goal in within 3 months. So all the possible challenges is very difficult, but you have achieved. So really thank you for your team and your achievements, and I hope we can say this carry on for a long time, and I hope you can complete my project on time.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Contact us at +91 848582 9557 or visit brumenglishabacademy.com. Your dreams are waiting.